Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be guiding you through how to make stickers on Snapchat. So this is really simple. First of all, let's just assume that you want to make stickers out of your photos. You're going to be heading over to your photos, and from there you need to simply select the image that you want to make a sticker of. So let's just say this cat is what I'm looking forward to making a sticker. Simply press and hold to the cat, and then you're going to be simply choosing the option of add a sticker. And once you do that, it will be looking something like this. You can simply edit your sticker as well. You can add some effects. Let's just say you want to add some shiny effects. You want to make it a puffy or outline. So let's just keep the outline and just click on done. Now go back to your Snapchat, and in here let's just say you have any chat over here that you want to send this particular sticker to. So let's just say this is the chat, or maybe any other. So let's just say this is the chat you want to send the sticker, and press this emoji icon onto your keyboard, not onto Snapchat, and select that sticker that you just created. Here we got that cat. So here we have that sent. Now you can easily head over to your Snapchat and chat and simply save the sticker, and you will have it into your own Snapchat sticker. So that's how you can make your stickers on Snapchat. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.